Chris from Technical Prospects here with another tech tip. Today we're going to talk about the help file and how to use it. To access the help file, simply go into Service, click on Help, and then another window will pop up. Basically, it mimics the service screen. You can go into Configuration, Tune Up, Backup Restore, Test Tools, FLC Service, or the Event Log. Basically, what's really nice about this is when you click on something, it gives you nice instructions and pictures. You can actually have this window up while you're performing the tune-up step. So if you're unsure about where to position something, all you have to do is look at this pictogram and it tells you in simple, plain English. Another nice thing is FD calibration. Just click on Adjustments and it explains everything you need to do and how to do it. For any further questions, please see our resources or contact us.